Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to cover an important topic: how to fix Facebook ads tracking sales which never actually happened. Step 1. Diagnose technical issues. The first step is to ensure your tracking tools are installed and firing correctly on your website. Use the MetaPixel Helper. Install the MetaPixel Helper Chrome extension. Visit your website and navigate through the sales funnel, viewing a product, adding to cart, initiating checkout, and visiting the thank you page. Observe how the pixel responds in real time. Check Events Manager. Go to the Events Manager in Meta Business Manager. Look for the Purchase event and check for live activity and any error messages. Verify the Purchase event trigger. Ensure the purchase event is configured to fire only on the final thank you or order confirmation page and only after the transaction is completed. If it is firing on an add to cart or initiate checkout page, it will register false sales. Implement deduplication, CAPI. If you are using both the MetaPixel browser side and the Conversions API server side, make sure you have set up event deduplication. This prevents the same event from being counted twice, once by the browser, once by the server, for a single transaction. Ensure auto return is enabled if you use PayPal for payments. Ensure that auto return is enabled to automatically redirect users back to your thank you page after payment, which ensures the purchase event fires correctly. Step 2. Review campaign and landing page settings. If the technical setup is correct, the problem might be in your campaign configuration or user experience. Check Campaign Objective in Ads Manager. Ensure your campaign objective in Ads Manager is set to conversions, optimizing for the purchase event, and not a different metric like traffic or engagement. The latter will send people who are likely to click links, not necessarily those who are ready to buy. Optimize your landing page. A disconnect between your ad and the landing page can lead to high traffic, but no sales. Ensure the ad's message, offer, and visuals match the content on the landing page. Simplify the checkout process to reduce friction. Check the page load speed, as slow pages can cause users to abandon their purchase. Refine your audience targeting. You might be targeting the wrong audience, leading to clicks from people not genuinely interested in your product. Use the Facebook Audience Insights tool to refine your demographics, interests, and behaviors, or use lookalike audiences based on existing customer lists. Monitor and A/B test. Give your ads enough time, at least 7 to 10 days, before making drastic changes. Use A/B testing to experiment with different ad copies, visuals, and offers to see what resonates best with your audience. And that's it. Follow these steps carefully, and you should see a big improvement in the accuracy of your sales tracking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials.